morning, everyone. My name is Tehara, and you are watching Live Online. We are at the race course because the Road Track Club of Colombo Uptown has once again organized the Run for Their Lives 2016. It's bigger and it's better this time. So stay tuned for more as we bring to you more on this. You've been supporting Run for Their Lives for
3 years now. 14, 15 and 13, 14 and 15.
It's been amazing to see you support such an amazing cause. What do you think of the project that is done by the Road Track Club of Colombo Uptown?
Well, when I started off, I met Tejani for the first time and she told me what this is all about. And it's always when you're in college and when you're in university, right? Yeah. You want to be part of events like this. Yeah. But then since I was in a hostel all the time, I never got a chance. That was in India. But when I came into Sri Lanka and then I heard of these such kind of events, I've never had a chance even now because I've been always shooting, right? Yeah. But 2013, I think I made a decision. I said, no, I have to go for this. I want to just see what this event was all about. And I came and I was shocked. I was shocked at the response because every year it's increasing by about 1,000 people, about 750 to 1,000 people, and that only goes to show that these guys are doing a fabulous, great job. Forget about the event per se, the cause that they are running for, the hearts that the people have in Sri Lanka, and every year I realize that the hearts are growing bigger and bigger. The giving is becoming bigger and bigger. The donation to the cancer hospital is becoming bigger and bigger. So what better way to tell people that we love them than running for their cause, right? I mean, you're doing this for somebody else. And giving is all about being selfless. And I can see a lot of kids here. It's amazing. I'm so proud to be Sri Lankan. I'm so proud to be associated with Run for Their Lives. And I'm so proud of the entire group, right? The Road Track Club of Colombo Uptown. I'm extremely proud of those kids. I love them very much and I love Sri Lanka very much and I love all of you very much. Thank you guys. Thank you for coming. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for loving. Thank you for giving. Thank you for everything.
You heard it from Pooja itself. So support us next year and the years to come. And thank you so much, Pooja.
Did you get to see all the pretty girls and the handsome boys here?
Pretty girls and boys were all captured, right?
Pretty girls and handsome boys, huh?
Pretty girls and handsome boys. Is about to begin, and as you can see behind me, the lineup has already started. It is bigger than it has ever been before. RFTL 2016 is amazing and it's huge. So stay tuned for more as we show you who's going to win the major race. I'm with Malik, who is the chairperson of Run for Their Lives. Malik, how has it been organizing Run for Their Lives this year?
It's been tough, but it's been very rewarding as well because end of the day, it's for the charity, and that's what matters the most.
Okay. How do you think of the turn-up this year compared to all the other years, the past 5 years?
This year we had a lot more people who registered prior to us. We had over 3,000 people who have been there with us from the beginning, who registered before the event. So I think that's been a big boost to us overall. We'll know the final numbers, I think, towards the end when we tally up sport registrations.
As a committee for Road Track Club of Colombo Uptown, how has it been organizing the project for everyone?
It's been a great team building experience. We've all turned out to be a lot of very close friends. It's brought us closer and a lot more experience has come to anyone here. So now it feels like all of us are much richer in experience. So, yeah.
All right, thank you, Malik. First place for the Hi Mithun, how does it feel?
Actually, the sun was a little too hot, but apart from that, it was all okay.
Are you like a fitness fanatic?
Yeah, I train a little bit here and there, but then, yeah, kind of.
Is this your first time taking part in Run for Their Lives?
Yes, this is my first time.
What did you think of the atmosphere of the project?
It's really good. I really like the organizing, and it's really nice to get everyone here, one place. Yeah.
Will I be seeing you next year?
Definitely.
Alright, congrats Mithun. Run for Their Lives 2016 has come to an end. We spoke to Malik Ishan Hanan, who is the chairperson, as along with Pooja. You heard from them how amazing Run for Their Lives 2016 was. It was bigger and better compared to all the other years. So this is me, Tahara, and I am signing out for Life Online.